Ողջույն մարդիկ. Hello people. Ես Shushin am Hayasa. I'm Shushi from Hayasa. And in this video we're going to learn to conjugate the verb to have in present simple tense. After that, we're going to learn some additional vocabulary, basically nouns and adjectives that you can use with the verb to have and form some simple sentences. So let's get started. The verb to have in Armenian has different forms for each personal pronoun. Let's learn them now. So I have is yes unem. Yes unem. You have will be du unes or duk unek. He or she has na uni. We have menk unenk. You have duk unek. And the last one they have will be նրանք ունեն. Let's summarize this. I'll only say the Armenian versions. Ես ունեմ, դու ունես or դուք ունեք, նա ունի, մենք ունենք, դուք ունեք, եւ the last one նրանք ունեն. Alright people, I've got some objects and now we'll learn the names of these objects and we'll try to form sentences with them. So first of all, I've got 4 pencils. You already know the numbers. Help me to make the sentence. So, yes unem chors, pencil is matit. Yes unem chors matit. Also, I have pens. Yes unem grichner, pens. Yes unem yerku, 2, sev grich, black pens, yev, and make 1 karmir grich. I've also got a book, an interesting one. Yes unem mi շատ very հետաքրքիր, interesting book, գիրք. Yes unem mi շատ հետաքրքիր գիրք. Հետաքրքիր, this is a word that you might be having trouble with pronouncing. հետաքրքիր. It means interesting. And the last wing, տետր. Yes unem mi շատ գեղեցիկ տետր. A very beautiful notebook. I love this notebook. Ես ունեմ մի շատ գեղեցիկ տետր, մի հետաքրքիր գիրք, 4 մատիտ, 2 սև գրիչ և 1 կարմիր գրիչ. Իսկ դու ինչ ունես? What do you have? Actually, for your homework, I want you to go to the comment section below and tell me what you've got. You can check the PDF document that I'm going to attach to this video. You will have more nouns and more adjectives. Try to form your sentences and I will check. Let's sum up here. If you are looking for an Armenian teacher, you can find my contact information below. Also, in the comment section, let me know what you want my next video to be about. Thank you very much for watching this. It was Shushi from Hayasa. Հաջողություն։ Մինչ next հանդիպում։ Մինչ մյուս հանդիպում։